Okay, here we are again. This is what it's doing. It's saying storage space is running out. I went through, uninstalled the applications. I've uninstalled every one of them, turned the TV back on, and they're all right back. Give it a couple minutes, it'll populate them all. If it doesn't, just power off first. See, I've already went through and I've already uninstalled all of this about 10 times. It will not uninstall them. So then I try to go to the main menu, go to settings, scroll down to device preferences, then scroll down to reset. 0532. I had to look up that code online. I never set that code. Hit reset. Erase everything. Then it does this. It just powers off. It will not factory reset. And there is no factory reset button anywhere on this TV. I've looked for the little pinholes. I took the back of it off. There is no reset button. So I don't know what else to do. But maybe replace the main board in there that's got the memory chips on it.